Hello students, welcome to BTech 360. The CSAP counseling just been announced and you also know the number of seats that are out there. About 14,000 plus seats are in the CSAP counseling, which is a Central Seat Allocation Board. The JOSA counseling is almost over for all the NITs, IIITs and GFTA aspiring candidates. Of course, for the IITs, you'll still have that, but all the other seats that are still not filled in have moved to the Central Seat Allocation Board's counseling and about 14,000 plus seats. Now, what students have been asking us is to explain to them of the number of seats that are there in certain branches in some of these things, which is NITs, IIITs, and GFTIs. So what I'm going to cover now is the CSAP counseling, NIT, because we've already done for computer science and allied branches, and now students have come back to us asking for EC and EEE also. So this particular video would be about all the seats that are there in NITs, in EC and EEE branches, and what are the chances of getting into that. We'll explain all those things for you. Now, a lot of students also have reached out to us saying that there is a possibility that they want to explore the other options which are beyond the JOSA and CSAP counseling, which is private universities. For that, we opened a helpline. The helpline number is 8130-6737-6334. Send us a message, apply, and I'll have one of the counselors call you up if you want to explore the options in private universities. And if you want to get into any of the foreign university campuses that are being set up in India, in Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, Chennai, and all, send us a message foreign, and a different counselor will call you and explain to you what your opportunities are. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves based on data, and we're collecting a lot of data so that you take the best decision possible. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. Now, let's talk about the CSAP counseling. In all, there are 4,850 seats that have moved to CSAP counseling from NITs across all the branches. There are 4,850 seats that are still left unfilled across all the NITs, and that has moved to the Central Seat Allocation Board. So JOSA counseling is over. Now we're dealing with CSAP counseling, and 4,850 seats are there up for grabs. And that 4,850 is just the thing, because if you got a seat in JOSA counseling also, you can still go for an upgrade through this, and there might be more seats that are coming in as you move along. So remember, 4,850 are the minimum number of seats that are out there in the numbers that are there to be filled in through CSAP. Now, I already told you that about 840 plus seats are there in CS and allied branches across all NITs. Now, what I'm going to talk of is ECE, EEE and all, and how many seats are there. In all, in ECE, EEE and all, you have 1,127 seats up for grabs, right? Of which ECE is 633 and EEE is 494. Of the 633, home state is 317 and outside the home state is 316, which is all India quota. And for EEE, 247 is home state and 247 are outside the home state. So it's all exactly equal here. But this is the number of seats that you have. So if you now look at it outside the home state, you're dealing with about 563 seats. And within the home state, you also have another number, which is 564. So that is the number that you're dealing with in terms of the number of seats that are still to be filled in, which each of you can lay a claim, either through the home state or through the All India quota. Now let's talk of only EC. First of all, let's start with the EC and understand what are the seats available and how many seats are available. This is across all categories. One of the things you must remember when you're dealing with CSAP, which is Central Seat Allocation Board counseling, is now your category rank gets subsumed. Everything that is being discussed from here on is the All India Common Rank list. So you're always dealing with the CRL and not as the category rank. Remember that. Now, NIT Calicut, first of all, BTech EC, 15 seats are available for the home state category, 18 are outside the home state, in all 33 seats are available. NIT Silchar, 11 within the home state, 18 outside the home state, 29 seats are available. We talk of only EC branch, remember that. NIT Arunachal Pradesh, 18 home state, 7 outside the home state, 25 seats are available. NIT Kurukshetra, 9 home state, outside the home state is 13, in all 22 seats are available. NIT Delhi, 14 within the home state, 6 outside the home state, 20 seats are available. NIT Puducherry, BTech ECE, 9 seats home state, 11 outside the home state, 20 seats are available. NIT Manipur, 11 home state, 9 outside the home state, 20 seats are available. NIT Mizoram, 11 home state, 9 outside the home state, 20 seats are available. Everything is EC, remember that. NIT Surat, 10 home state, 10 outside the home state, 20 seats are available. NIT Surathkal, 12 home state, 7 outside the home state, 19 seats are available. NIT Nagaland, 11 home state, outside the home state 8, 19 seats are available. NIT Raipur, BTech ECE, 13 home state, 6 outside the home state, 19 are available. NIT Trichy, 10 home state, 9 outside the home state, 19 seats are available. MNIT Bhopal, EC again, 5 home state, 13 outside the home state, 18 are available. MNIT Allahabad again, 6 home state, 12 outside the home state, 18 are available. NIT Agartala, 11 home state, 6 outside the home state, 17 are available. IESC Shibpur, BTech Electronics and Telecommunication Engineering, 14 home state, 2 outside the home state, 16 are available. NIT AP, BTech ECE is 4 home state, 12 outside the home state, 16 are available. NIT Hamirpur, 4 home state, 11 outside the home state, 15 are available. NIT Agartala, BTech Electronics and Instrumentation, 7 home state, 7 outside the home state, 14 are available. NIT Durgapur, BTech ECE, 10 home state, 4 outside the home state, 14 are available. SVNIT Surat, BTech Electronics and VLSA, 10 home state, 4 outside the home state, 14 are available. MNIT Jaipur, EC, 6 home state, 7 outside the home state, 13 are available. NIT Trichy, BTech Instrumentation and Control Engineering, 5 home state, 8 outside the home state, 13 are available. BNIT Nagpur, BTech EC, 7 home states, 6 outside the home state, 13 are available. NIT Roorkela, BTech EC, 5 home states, 7 outside the home state, 12 are available. BR Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, BTech Instrumentation and Control Engineering, 7 home state, 4 outside the home state, 11 are available. NIT Nagaland, BTech EC, 4 home states, 7 outside the home state, 11 are available. NIT Patna, BTech EC, 4 home states, 7 outside the home state, 11 are available. NIT Silchar, BTech Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, 5 home states, 6 outside the home state, 11 are available. NIT Delhi, BTech BLSI Design and Technology, 6 home state, outside the home state 4, in all 10 available. NIT Warangal, BTech EC, 5 home state, 5 outside the home state, 10 are available. NIT Meghalaya, 4 home state, 5 outside the home state, 9 are available. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Microelectronics and VLSI Engineering, 4 home state, 5 outside the home state, 9 are available. BNIT Nagpur, BTech Electronics Engineering, VLSI Design and Technology, 3 home state, 6 outside the home state, 9 are available. BR Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, BTech EC, 4 home state, 4 outside the home state, 8 are available. NIT Jamshedpur, BTech EC, 3 home state, 5 outside the home state, 8 are available. NIT Uttarakhand, BTech EC, 4 home state, 3 outside the home state, 7 are available. NIT Warangal, BTech EC, VLSI Design and Technology, 3 home state, 4 outside the home state, 7 are available. BR Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, BTech EC, Electronics and VLSI Engineering, 1 home state, 4 outside the home state, 5 are available. NIT Patna, 1 for BTech Electronics, VLSI Design and Technology, 1 home state, 4 outside the home state, 5 are available. NIT Sikkim, BTech EC, 2 home state, 3 outside the home state, 5 are available. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Dual Degree EC, 3 home state, 2 outside the home state, 5 are available. NIT Manipur, BTech Dual Degree EC, 2 home state, 3 outside the home state, 5 are available. NIT Roorkela, 2 home state, 3 outside the home state, 5 are available. NIT Hamirpur, 2 home state, 1 outside the home state, 3 are available. And NIT Patna, BTech Dual Degree EC with specialization in microelectronics and VLSI, 1 outside the home state, 1 is available. So that is the number of seats that you have as far as EC is concerned. Now let's move to EEE and all. In all, as I told you, of the 4,850 seats that are there, about 1,000 plus seats are between EEE and EC, of which EEE is 494. Of the 4,850, about 10% seats are in EC, EEE and of which home state is 247 and outside the home state is 247. Let's understand what are the seats that are available here. NIT Calicut, BTech EEE, 14 home state, 18 outside the home state, 32 are available. NIT Surathkal, BTech EEE, 18 home state, 7 outside the home state, 25 are available. ISC Shibpur, BTech Electrical Engineering, 14 home state, 8 outside the home state, 22 are available. NIT Durgapur, BTech Electrical Engineering, 14 home state, 8 outside the home state, 22 are available. SVNIT Surat, BTech Electrical Engineering, 18 home state, 4 outside the home state, 22 are available. NIT Agartala, BTech Electrical Engineering, 11 home state, 9 outside the home state, 20 are available. NIT Silchar, 9 home state, 11 outside the home state, 20 are available. NIT Raipur, 8 home state, 11 outside the home state, 19 are available. NIT Puducherry, BTech EEE, 9 home state, 9 outside the home state, 18 are available. BNIT Nagpur, BTech EEE, 10 home state, 8 outside the home state, 18 are available. Remember, whenever we deal with CSAP counseling, it's always the All India Common Rank List is all we're dealing with. NIT Hamirpur, BTech Electrical Engineering, 6 home state, 11 outside the home state, 17 are available. NIT Andhra Pradesh, BTech EEE, 4 home state, 13 outside the home state, 17 are available. NIT Mizoram, BTech Electrical, 12 home state, 5 outside the home state, 17 are available. NIT Warangal, BTech EEE, 4 home state, 13 outside the home state, 17 are available. NIT Delhi, BTech Electrical, 12 home state, 3 outside the home state, 15 available. NIT Nagaland, BTech EEE, 4 home state, 10 outside the home state, 14 available. NIT Arunachal, BTech Electrical, 2 home state, 11 outside the home state, 13 available. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Electrical, 6 home state, 7 outside the home state, 13 available. NIT Trichy, BTech EEE, 6 home state, 7 outside the home state, 13 available. NIT Manipur, BTech Electrical, 5 home state, 7 outside the home state, 12 available. NIT Roorkela, BTech Electrical, 5 home state, 7 outside the home state, 12 available. MNIT Jaipur, BTech Electrical, 8 home state, 3 outside the home state, 11 available. NIT Calicut, 6 home state, 4 outside the home state, 10 available. NIT Meghalaya, BTech Triple 5 home state, 5 outside the home state, 10 available. NIT Uttarakhand, BTech Triple 7 home state, 3 outside the home state, 10 available. NIT Sikkim, BTech Triple 4 home state, 5 outside the home state, 9 available. BR Ambedkar, NIT Jalandhar, 4 home state, 4 outside the home state, 8 available. MNIT Bhopal, 3 home state, 5 outside the home state, 8 available. MNIT Allahabad, BTech Electrical, 3 home state, 5 outside the home state, 8 available. NIT Patna, BTech Electrical, 3 home state, 5 outside the home state, 8 available. Moving further, NIT Jamshedpur, BTech Electrical, 3 home state, outside the home state, 5, 8 available. NIT Manipur, BTech Dual Degree Electrical, 3 home state, 3 outside the home state, 6 available. NIT Warangal, BTech Triple Electrical Mobility, 3 home state, 3 outside the home state, 6 available. NIT Patna, BTech Dual Degree Electrical Engineering with specialization in Power System Engineering, 2 home state, 3 outside the home state, 5 available. MNIT Bhopal, BTech Electrical Engineering with E-Mobility, 1 home state, 3 outside the home state, 4 available. MNIT Bhopal, BTech Energy and Electrical Vehicle Engineering, 3 outside the home state. NIT Kurukshetra, BTech Dual Degree Electrical Engineering, 1 home state, 1 outside the home state, 2 available. So that is the number that you're dealing with. About 1,000 plus seats are there, rather across the board, about 1,000 plus seats are there only in NITs for EC and Triple E. So you still have an option, you still have a choice, you still can go through that. And assuming you still want to explore other options, which are private universities or foreign universities setting up in campuses in India, which are the top world-class universities which are setting up campus across Delhi, Bombay, Bangalore, based on the government of permission, and most importantly, UGC approved, which means the degree is UGC recognized also. Send us a message, apply, you want to get into a private college in India, or want to explore options of private universities in India, and send us a message foreign if you want to get into the foreign university campus because you at some point in time want to study outside of India also. The number is 8130376334. Send us a message on this number and we'll have someone call you up to exactly understand what your issues are and explain to you what the options are. Do subscribe to BTech 360 because we're creating a lot of content to help students decide for themselves. And this is an information series that we're creating across the board for all programs, all examinations, all courses and everything. And this information and guidance series is presented by Amity University, one of India's leading universities and also ranked among the top 3% globally. I hope this entire thing helps you. If you want me to cover anything else, please write to me in the message box here. I'll be happy to cover that for you. Thank you so much, Naman.